Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I go by Hiram or Bogwa. Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. So today we'll be looking at what are called enums. And enums are a special type of class that we use to represent constants in our applications. So with that, I'll go ahead and get started by creating the project. File, new, project, enums. And as you can see, we have our project. And I'll start by creating a package. com.coderush.enums. I'll do com.coderush. App runner. PSBN. Okay, and I'll just run the program just to see. Everything compiles fine. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and create another sub package in here, and I'll call it enums. So to create an enum, you right click, new, you go to Java class, but then here IntelliJ gives you this option where you select enum and then just give it a name. This one would be days. And there we have our first enum. Now, as you can tell, the difference between an enum and a class is the type is enum instead of class. Typically here we would say public class days, but in this instance we're doing public enum days. And then next I'll go ahead and define them. And as you can see, this is the syntax that we use for our enums. They're all constants and they're separated by a comma until you get to the last enum where you put your semicolon. Now, all these enums are considered to be of type days. Let's go to that app runner class. Okay, now let's utilize our enum class. So I'll start by just printing it out. System.out.println. And I'll print out, like for example, today. Today is, I can do days. You see, now we have all those different options. You can do days, Tuesday, things like that. And let's run that and see. There it is, Tuesday. Now something that we can do with enums is we can come here and define, for example, days. Select the day equals days dot Friday. And then assuming this is like we have an application that does some sort of calculation or computation and then gives us the selected, or maybe we're grabbing an input from the user and we determine that they selected a day and we want to run some operation based on the day that they selected. The enum will be a good tool to use whenever we're using like constants. So for example, we can use it for like switch case statements. We can come here, switch, select the day, and for example here we can write case Monday. So another shortcut you can use is sout, system.out.println. So now let's execute this and see. Run the application. As you can see, user chose Friday. We change this user to Thursday. Should print out user chose run. User chose Thursday. There it is. Thank you for watching my tutorials. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you haven't. And also check me out on Instagram at coderush.io.